Yeah. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I finish up my hand. Yeah. Me do it again, people. My nail pop out and me put on nails without finger. Start, so me go and shot again. But anyways, we're going to do never have I ever, and we're going to guess the questions. So this is never have I ever Jamaican edition.
Yeah.
Right? So we're gonna ask questions where basically if you're Jamaican, you go understand them question, yeah. If you're not Jamaican, just pull one Jamaican close and tell me say what they must say. Yeah. Ask me yeah. Now you will know.
So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe.
Ouch! Hit the post notification bell.
Alright. Yeah, kick it off, please.
Yeah. Alright guys, so the first question, right? Never have I ever ouch. Never have I ever left some of my food to eat in the night or alright. Never have I ever like me I eat my food but me put on half fight because I want to eat in at the night.
No sir. Never.
Never?
Mm-mm.
You never eat and left?
Me eat all of what me don't want to. Like me have to take you back out of the pot and warm me up on it. Something.
You're joker. You too?
Yeah.
I eat that then yeah. When me near my food and my not try to me I eat that back.
No, but me always take out when me can't eat. Yeah.
Oh, no man, when you're little and me attack.
Everybody do that. Everybody knows. If
I would be smaller,
yeah.
probably me do it.
Yes, I know. I have, or you never have.
I have. So I didn't know.
Alright. So all we have, you're going to know the question.
Alright, never have I ever called school to hang out with friends.
Me do that.
I have.
You do it, Tamara? Talk it true, man. Your mother can't beat you. Talk it true.
Girl, me no one kill her mother. Should have killed me.
Oh, so you could do it.
Well, me have one killer father, but me
See,
didn't
the same way, right? Let's go. Me not.
May I tell you, see, hang out with me, I hang out with friends and I like to go hang up on the street.
Yeah.
But growing up, me didn't want to be one actress and me didn't want to be one model. So me ever carry out some farmer clothes in my bag to come and come.
Yeah. And that will never happen next thing.
Take photo and something so. Yeah, I have.
Alright. My question. Never have I ever lied to my parents about where I was going. Me do that.
I have.
Me do that wholly.
I have.
Oh! Your turn. Tamara, you have a question? Ruthie, come in.
Tamara, no. What up? Last time I know where I'm going?
Yeah.
Yeah, since me after, you know, after some years.
Yeah. You
wait a sec.
Then no more. You have a question?
Yeah. Never have I ever had while you're in high school.
Everybody's supposed to do that. Me do it. It's not grade level.
No, after me left school. No, after me left school.
Oh, come.
And then the thing is, told me, so I can't go and people think when me active. When me never active.
Yeah, we do it. Alright. Never have I ever brought clothes in my bag to change. Or for example, wait, let me go again. Never have I ever bought an extra uniform because the one me I wear it too long.
Never.
Me do that. Me I put uniform in a bag and reach a warm bottom, me go change and tight like a rasta. Go warm heel like you chat to me. Tight, you know? And you know, me used to put the purse on the pocket just so some uniform so can't me. Them the days.
Me never do that yet. Probably because in a school me did a one eye leader then like prefect class course me always be there sitting so me couldn't do it. Yeah. Alright. Never have I ever kiss your friend man.
Kiss your friend man?
Yeah.
No. Me never did that before, but me and Dee&Jillany them did that play. There's only me and Dee&Jillany did just like getting you never really so serious. And we did their old chip and camp. With that play, truth or dare. So me tell Jelani truth already, and Jelani said, dear, and me say, me dare to kiss one of my friend, and that girl, me not call her name, because me not her friend again, but me dare him, and then chokes.
Oh.
So, and me not kiss him. You do it?
No.
Somewhere on the phone. Alright, alright. Never have I ever beat one of my younger cousins or siblings because somebody older than me talks to me, I could beat them.
No, I never grew up with nobody, fake. I mean, alone grew up.
We do that. Tell my grandmother piece me off. Fight me little cousin them and something.
You can talk to us now.
Me? You want to say hi? What one bossy? Yeah, because I do one YouTube video. I still a roll so I can't tell long. Yeah man, everything good man. Big up yourself. Alive. What? Today? No sir. Wait. When we done that video and then we chat to you. Come back tomorrow we need to art tomorrow. Tomorrow. Alright, I have a question Ruthie, for me or for you?
Fear. But me also never grow with nobody, so me never
Could beat up nobody?
Yeah, but when like if daddy beat me and had me go to school, take you out from people.
Yeah,
but
me
none
that.
of cousin them or nothing.
Me that. Alright, never have I ever talked back to a teacher.
Me do it. I have.
Yes.
I have.
Never have something to say. We can't keep quiet. Wait. Alright, when me got primary and infant school and like high school, me never used to stay so. But the older I got, the more outspoken I become. And that was when me find myself and like I express myself. But back in the days, like no. They couldn't tell me anything I said. I'm not coming out. Maybe I secure. But no.
When we reach high school, we start answer back to teacher.
Yeah.
Answer them back.
Well, depends. Yeah. But not rude.
Come back now, one wicked question. I know say 200 do. Obviously I have.
Go on.
What's your question I know? Never have I ever put my underarm like your shorts or your socks behind the fridge when you're going to school. You know what I get? Can we do what we do that?
So you don't want to do what?
You know I get that they know say you don't wash your clothes one time. You don't get so
I have.
Me do that
I
right
forget it's dry.
No, Tamara, so sometimes for example, your mother tell you to wash your do it same time. It's the night come, you have to take your pants line and put it back in the fridge, you don't want to leak.
Yeah, then I forget it's dry.
Oh, me do that. Me do that.
Alright. Go on, no question.
Alright. Never have I ever went to the shop and forgot what I went to buy.
I have.
Me that. They go give no one to a lady named Miss Justice, you know. Grandmother give me money if you go up there go buy 1 pound of saltfish. When we go up there, alright, you know like you're supposed to say yeah buy 1 pound of saltfish. Me never say 1 pound. Me say, me don't know what me did. Like me don't say instead of I don't remember the word that me use, you know. But you know like when I say send me 1 pound of saltfish, like me just send me 1 buckle of saltfish or something like that. And me just said, Lord, you really don't call mama, what piece of stick if you want long term when you laugh at me, you know? So me got shop go order. Like me don't say sell me one buckle of saltfish or something.
Oh,
like
like
when
of saltfish or
yeah,
something.
but me feel say like 1 pound or half pound or whatever. Cause I never remember say like a pound it coming and me go order nonsense. Laugh at me. Mighty God, they feel away.
Alright, never have I ever go in a store, use out them lotion and not purchase it.
Me that. And perfume.
I have.
Me do that.
Especially if they don't have it over counter where you have to ask for it.
Yeah, me have
it.
rub up.
Me do that.
Spray.
Me do that with spray, but not.
Me do it.
Me do that when me dog Barbados one time. Me go in at the cause you know when at airport they have one place they can go check it. Me not buy no perfume, you know. And true me want smell good, I pray you out.
Of course, they get free sample. You can sample for free.
Alright. Big woman question this now, you know. Never have I ever faked pain because I don't want to. I have. this way. You don't want to say you feel away, you say you feel away, that's what you don't want to do nothing.
No.
Yeah, joker. Oh,
Jesus,
me stick right through me, always stick.
Oh, Jesus.
I did it before. Me not gonna say me do it often, but
Yeah.
me did it before.
Me do it too, but
Worse than if me beg
Alright,
Jillany,
Hold
don't
on,
take it
hold
away
on,
because I never be the other day. Oh.
Alright, me have one.
Mhm.
Never have I ever tell her I say I see feel because you know one.
No. Oh, no. That can't be it. You do it. No, don't want to do it. That one that tricky. Alright, so if somebody will like, you know, do nothing with before you can try that one. Me do that one.
Yeah.
Like,
If you're
money
No,
from
if you're not
man.
living
Yeah.
together, you can't do it.
Eh?
If you're not together, you
You
can't do
joke
it.
at Jillany and look. Or touchy feeling.
Me say.
Remember, Jillany and look at touchy feeling. Me not ask God. Alright guys, so we hope you enjoy this video. Remember to check out Ruth is so blessed or Ruthie blessed. Which one?
Our Instagram that.
Me know.
Oh, Root so blessed.
Yeah, remember to check out Ruth so blessed, Tammy's nails, the official on Instagram, links in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, share, comment to the post notification bell and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye. Our Aisha, I love saying.